Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for many of you out there: college debt. With the rising cost of education in the United States, it's crucial to have a plan in place to tackle your student loans. This video will be sharing some practical tips on how to navigate your college debt journey and set yourself up for financial success in the long run. 1. Understanding your loans. Let's understand the types of loan you may have. There are federal loans and private loans. Federal loans often come with more flexible repayment options and lower interest rates. Private loans, on the other hand, may have higher interest rates and fewer repayment options. It's important to know what kind of loans you're dealing with so you can make informed decisions. Create budget. To graduate, it's time to create a budget that includes your loan payments. List out all your monthly expenses: rent, groceries, utilities, and so on. Allocate a portion of your budget to your loan payments. Prioritize making these payments on time to avoid penalties and late fees. 3. Explore repayment plans. Federal loans offer various repayment plans, such as the standard repayment plan, income-driven repayment plans, and graduate repayment plans. Each plan has its pros and cons. Income-driven plans, for instance, adjust your payment based on your income. It can be really helpful when you're just starting your career. 4. Consider loan forgiveness program. Profession like teaching or public service may qualify you for loan forgiveness program. Programs can significantly reduce your loan burden over time. Research and see if you're eligible for any of these programs. Make extra payment when possible. If you have extra money, consider making additional payment towards your loans. Even a little extra can go a long way in reducing the overall interest you'll pay. Be sure to communicate with your loan servicer that extra payment is intended for principal reduction. Number 6. With your means. It's tempting to splurge after college. Try to live within your means. Keep your lifestyle in check, especially in the initial years when you're still getting on your feet financially. The less unnecessary spending you have, the more you can put towards your loans. Build an emergency fund. Expected expenses can throw off your financial plans. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Will provide a safety net so you won't have to rely on credit card or loans during tough times. Seek financial advisor. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek financial advice. You can talk to financial advisor or even reach out to your loan servicer. They might be able to offer guidance and solution tailored to your situation. Conclusion. Remember, managing college debt is marathon, not a sprint. By staying organized, creating a budget, and exploring your options, you can take control of your student loans and work towards a finalist. And remember, managing college debt is a marathon, not a sprint. By staying organized, creating a budget, and exploring your options, you can take control of your student loans and work towards a financially secure future. Keep these tips in mind and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Watching and well, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.